Guys, what's up? Now today we are going to learn about how to make a thread. So thread comes under our wizard only. So let's start with drawing some sketch. Go to file, sketch, and then front plane. Then first of all, let's make a rectangle like this. Now in this, let's make one circle also like this. Click on OK. Now features and extrude. Now extrude is OK. Let's make it 25. Click on OK. Now you can see these things. Now again let's make one sketch on front plane only. Then let's make one circle like this, and features extrude it. Let's extrude it by 200. Click on OK. Now let's go to our wizard, then click on thread. OK. Now click on thread. After this thread dialog box will open and it will ask thread location. So thread location, if you want to make thread here, give thread location here. After going this, you can see the preview, and you don't need this. And now it is asking you the how much length you want. Let's make it as 10 only. Then this is bind or revolution or after selection. If you have long things or if you have 2-3 surface, then you can make up to the selection. Now it is asking you metric die or tap. Now depending upon the requirement, you can choose. I'll choose metric tap. Then I'll choose size. What size is required. I'll choose a M10 into 1.25. M10 means, here you need to understand, M10 means diameter 10, metric thread of diameter 10, and into 1.25 means this is pitch distance between the pitch is 1.25. Then click on OK. You can see we have created a thread here. Now let's create a thread here to make it as a bolt. Now click on sketch, go to whole wizard, click on thread, and then click on OK, and then select this one here. After that, give this as 100, and all the things are already same. And here the thread type is there, extrude cord thread and extrude thread. Cord thread is used when you need to remove the material, and extrude thread is used when you need to add the material. So depending upon your requirement, you can choose. Click on OK. Look here, in the cylindrical surface you cannot remove the material, so we need to add the material. Here we can remove the material, so cord thread was used, but here we need to add some material. So extrude is the process of adding the material. So extrude is added, and click on OK. Now we have created a thread here. You can see. I hope you understood this video. In the next video I'll teach you how to create hexagonal nut and bolt. Thank you for watching.